Hi.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Zach.
We're siblings who love Disney cruises and adventures. Today we are at Epcot, and we're going to take you along with us. We're going to head on to Spaceship Earth now.
There was only one small problem. A piracy turn creates better records, but it also brings with it the dawn of trade. Harmonious. A simple of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East. They watched over by Aaron. Invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books. It's made it easier to invent. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future, or should I say, your future.
How did you like that?
It was fun. I saw stuff I haven't seen before, which is weird.
Yeah, it stopped twice, so we got to see a lot more than we usuly do.
I'm sure there's Easter eggs and Molly there.
Yeah. I was trying to read the computer because we got stopped in the part where there's computers are being made. Anyways.
My Apple, obviously.
Yeah. So now we're heading to Figment. We might do the space one after this. We're not sure yet. Zachary's still trying to decide. Some of the topiaries are already up for Flower and Garden Festival. It starts Wednesday, the 28th.
Can help capture your imagination.
Oh, get it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination. Start hearing 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and
Please read line 3.
with M-I-G-N-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Show you the times roll. You win one cent.
Really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. Imagination is the free
This is your last time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
People, so is Joy, but there's little kids around, so I'm not gonna film them. Random character meet and greet that you guys can do. Figment's ride's always a good ride. If you have a family and you're looking for an easy ride to do at Epcot, that's one. Yeah, it is a dark ride, but that's the one to do is Figment. It's family friendly. Anybody can ride it. It's great. We are heading on to Soarin. It's about a 30-minute wait. Shouldn't take too long at all. Still soaring over California until the 28th, and then it's back to the regular Soarin' and Coastal World, I think is what it's called.
The tower, we are ready for takeoff.
reservation for Soarin. We got in line and it jumped from 30 minutes to 75 minutes, but we were already in line when it jumped to that, so it wasn't quite 75 minutes. It was about an hour.
That was the best ride or road to ride in. Station C, I guess it's called Station, and row 1.
I think it's called Concourse C.
Oh, Concourse, whatever.
Concourse.
It's the best one Concourse, whatever. It's the best one we rode on.
Yeah, it was really good. Still soaring over California, as you saw, but by the 28th, I'm pretty sure it's going back to soaring around the world. So there's still time if you want to ride it.
Updated.
Yeah, they should. Maybe they will. It might be updated by the time it comes back.
Put it in California and put this one here.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. We park hopped to Magic Kingdom. There was a German Shepherd on our monorail, so that made my whole day. Now we're on the train.
Your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces all eye on your little ones, para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and in.
That was our first full train ride. How did you like it?
It was fun. You got to learn about, sounds like Walt Disney's the narrator. You can see Big Thunder Mountain, Tron Rider, so it was fun.
Yeah, I think it was fun too. It's our first time doing it full time. We've done it before, and we got off in, it was near Barnstormer. I don't know if that... I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. When you get off, they have interesting information about like trains. If you didn't know, Walt Disney was a big train person. I believe he had a train in his backyard.
That was it, ready for the Ferguson party.
To look at the menu for Tony's Town Square restaurant, you can pause the screen if you would like to read it more in depth. So to drink, we both have Diet Cokes, and Zachary has the limoncello alcohol beverage. It was $16. Is it overpowering lemon?
Yeah. It tastes like lemon, but it tastes like alcohol, but the lemon makes it better. I like it.
Do you think it's worth $16?
It was bigger, yeah.
I'm just asking your honest opinion.
I like it.
Well, that's good. So I ordered the chicken Alfredo.
My favorite Disney restaurant now. It's very cheesy. It tastes really, really, really good like a regular restaurant. 10 out of 10.
And you have the rigatoni, right?
Yeah. So good.
Did you know that this is the worst rated restaurant in Disney World? Yep.
How?
I don't know. It's the worst. Yep. It's one of the worst. It's one of the worst. It might be the worst.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's one of the best.
It's my favorite restaurant.
I mean, it's hard to get pasta wrong, but it's very creamy. Mine is pretty good too. It's not as good as that. I had that last time I was here. This is Zachary's first time. This is my second time here. I had his last time and I was like, oh my gosh, that's the best thing I've ever had. It is so good. But this is still good. It's just not as good as that. But it's really good. I highly recommend this. It has really bad reviews for some reason. People hate this restaurant. I don't understand why. I don't know. It's really good. It's so good. It's so creamy and delicious.
This is okay. Mine's delicious.
My mine was good too, but yours is better, definitely. Okay, so we got the cannolis. These are tiramisu cannolis. I had these last time and I loved them. Genuinely loved them. As we were leaving after we ate, we noticed that they had some artwork displayed and we wanted to check some of them out and show you guys because I haven't seen anybody else talk about this. Alright guys, so that's the end of our video. What was your favorite part from today?
The food. It was amazing and the dessert was amazing.
Yeah, cannoli, tiramisu cannoli, 10 out of 10 every time.
We'll rate the video below even though Caitlin's lazy and don't want to do anything.
Wait, the video or the food?
The food, but you'll put Mickey Mouse's at the bottom, Caitlin.
Okay, but okay.
Or you could do a castle since it's Disney, Magic Kingdom. Or you could do Lady and the Tramp. Or you could do
Mickey ears.
Spaghettis. You do Lady and Tramps.
I'll do spaghettis. That's a good one, spaghettis. My favorite part of the day was seeing a German Shepherd on the monorail. And then probably... I don't know. I think probably the cannoli too, because it was really good. No, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next one. Bye.